Hello fishing buddies, today we'll be talking about the RUNCL FS300 waterproof fishing scale.
Wait a minute, did I wake up in a dream or is this reality? Just a second, trying to grip on what's left of my sanity, yeah. It ain't been the best of times, just hold on, we almost there. In this world, ain't no other woman that can keep me real. Hands out on your waist, damn, it's been a minute. I just wanna take this time and really get to feel you.
Here I have the RUNCL FS300 waterproof fishing scale. Unfortunately, it does seem like the box did receive some beating in post. Let's open it up. It comes with a mini screwdriver, a weighting strap, the weighing scale itself, more on this later, a fish lip gripper, a card, a user manual, and a warranty card. The scale itself has a built-in retractable measuring tape, which is kept under a rubber cap. This tape can measure up to 100 centimeters. And of course, it does not come with batteries. The battery cover is secured by two screws, which can be removed with a supplied Phillips screwdriver. It takes two AAA batteries. As you can see, the battery cover, as well as majority of the scale body, is made out of plastic. It also has a silicone seal. This goes perfectly on the raised edge on the battery compartment to make it watertight. You can see it here when we try to close the battery compartment. The silicone seal makes contact on the said ridge. So let's put some batteries in and power the scale on. Aside from the buttons giving you tactile feedback when pressed, you can hear it beep, giving us auditory feedback as well. It measures weight in kilograms, pounds, and ounces. Like most digital scales, you will need to hold the weight steady until it reads hold on the screen. I'm not one to read instructions, but this scale can store up to 8 weigh-ins and give you a total weight, which will be labeled E on the screen. And to turn the unit off, just press and short hold the power button. This scale measures 14.5 by 10.5 centimeters. The fish lip gripper measures 12.5 centimeters long. And as mentioned earlier, it does come with a luggage strap, in case you would want to use this as a luggage scale. The fish lip gripper is mostly made out of plastic. However, it does feel solid and really well made. The readout can easily be read in the dark thanks to its large illuminated screen. Let's go ahead and test it out. So while I was shooting a video for the Pan Squadron 2 saltwater travel spin rod, a fishing buddy caught this bass and decided to give it to me. Unfortunately, it was only 40 centimeters, just 2 centimeters shy of meeting the legal size to be taken home. So back to the sea it went.
Just 2 centimeters short. Yeah.
They have to be quite big, don't they?
Yeah, 0.2.
There we have it. If you found this video informative, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for future fishing stuff related reviews. And if you have other lines and tackles or fishing gear you would like for me to review, then leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching and happy fishing.